Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Seychelles Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be for all the signs, okay? Collective reading. So, as you all say, let's begin. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Seychelles running. So the energy around you is that of excitement. But I saw it's cassette that you play in the record players, like you used to, cassette player, you put it there and that runs. But I saw like the tape inside that actually plays the music is out of that tape, out of that cassette. So it's all out and it's all messed up and entangled. Okay, I'll be back. Alright guys, let's start again. So where I was telling you about the cassette and about the tape and about the thing that plays, and it's all out of that, it's all entangled, and I can see like entangled whole bunch of that, and it's not inside the cassette, rather it's outside. So it's something that is music is difficult to solve, or let's just say something is entangled, or something is in mess, or maybe it just, we can say the music is not playing well because it's entangled there. So, or we can talk it in different words like tuning. Okay, something is not in tune with the person, if it is the case, something that is not in tune. Is that what is going on? Is it? Let's see. These two cards flipped and we're going to see it with you. So you have Three of Wands energy. Desire, entangled. Okay. Seven of Wands, not ready. So I feel someone's defenses are up here, trying to figure out why this is happening. Okay. Also figuring out, do I really want that? Do I really want to get entangled in that particular relationship again, or certain connection again? Or this may be something you might be having that observation about the situation, that whatever I'm wishing for, is it right for me? Should I allow it? Because you desire that, and now when it is here, you might not be ready for that, because you have worked really hard to come out of that, and you know that if you listen to that tune again, it's going to make you sad or make you disturbed. Okay, so you are having those guards up kind of energy. But also there is someone who is really interested here. Now interested because they want. Now if this is not your energy, this is this person's energy. I want. Now why you want? Okay, because there is this desire to connect. Again, this is something connected with long distance. Maybe this is the energy who is involved with someone, and the cassette that doesn't play the music, then what this curiosity is all about. This is Page of Wands energy. Someone is overthinking here of replying to something, and this is an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius vibe, though these are for everyone. So if you are the one listening, however it fits you. And I also get this vibe of like someone is having dark circles, because of stress, under eye dark circles. Okay, this is being caused because of this. Or maybe someone is staying up late at night and listening to that. Oh God, we spent so many good times and here, and now we are away, or we have guards up kind of energy, we are not allowing something. Then this is supposed to be telling you that you need to figure out something, something that is not in tune, something that is not giving you that music. And I also kind of get this, it is actually certain cassette. Old vintage times, you still have those things possible. Let's see. I'm getting this vibe of like everything is making sense in your life. You already know, you've decided, but something messes you up because when you listen to certain song or certain thing. There's this distraction. The moment you decide to focus or you do something, you organize everything, This is what you are struggling here, possible. To make up your mind, to decide on ending something, not to drag it, and not allowing even, okay? But this is your inside story of like wanting it. And then this is like you are focusing on something, trying to organize the stuff in your life. Refocusing your energy. Taking break, recuperation. Four of Swords energy is the call of like, I'm not going to take the call. I am not. And here I see the rings, you know, tin, 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 kind of. But I'm not going to take the call. Four of Swords energy is I need my time. I'm not answerable to you. I cannot answer you. I need time. That's what something is on repeat. Possible you people are putting your on record, like, you know, leave your message after the beep kind of energy. Okay, leave the message and you are here rejuvenating yourself, which is very important for you right now. You might be at distance from this person and this person is calling you on the same old number, this particular, and maybe you're not where you used to be all the time, kind of like it's unavailable energy and you are not available. You're doing it on purpose because something happened, okay? Yes, you're doing it on purpose to have your own settlements, to have your own stability here, and that is what you are heading towards. Some of you are home, you've returned home. Some of you are home that you shifted. You're no longer living there where you used to be. So maybe this is also a change of number. This is also maybe you've returned home, like to your parents or to your sister, or maybe you're somewhere. It's like second home. You know, people work and they move to cities or countries, you know, but then there are roots. That's what the calling is. This may be your own home or some place which you call home. And you are not replying to someone, you've stopped that. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, right now you're taking time. It's also something to not make it general, like everyone is aware about it. It's something that you are keeping it like little low profile right now. You're keeping low profile, so to figure out something in your life right now about your next decisions, okay? You're on rest and taking time, pause, to make up your mind basically for the next decision. It's also the energy of like, should I entertain this music? Okay, look, Page of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe, but this is also about either you were very curious about something and now you have all the information. It's also taking stand for yourself, and it's also something that you're going to write legal or taking legal action again, or this is something making things clear to the person. Definitely ending that sour moment. 10 of Swords energy. Something is exceeding here. It's a mess. It's just like the music. Something is not in tune or you're not in tune. Some of you are married with this 10 of Pentacles. You tried everything, but now you need time. Okay? I also feel if this is this person, their defenses are always up. Okay? It's like it is very difficult to really know them to the core because they don't allow it, and then they're cold and at times abusive also. And Three of Wands energy is like, what am I actually wanting, or what am I desiring with the person? Okay, look, 7 of Cups. Time is coming, or time has come to clear your energy, to choose wisely, and not to get provoked, basically not to get confused, because it's a storm of desires and fantasies and wanting something that might not be actually there, but you want it. Okay, or maybe someone is creating this facade in the relationship, creating a lot of confusions, maybe about commitment if you're married, then about this. Okay, this energy is 4 of Wands, which is asking you to have things clear with them. Now you also have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. It's about your emotional break, and you don't want to have that emotional breakdown. That's why you are just taking stand for yourself. This is about the halt they might be giving you. Let's see what is coming in the future. I'm hearing the word disclosing. You're disclosing something to someone who's possible older than you. So maybe we are talking about home and someone who is genuinely who can give you advice or something, old woman, okay, and pleasure seekers. There's also something very difficult in your life, like what you want. It's being stopped by this person. If there is some old woman around you. But I feel more like you are discussing something. Maybe in past time frames you gave up on some of the interest matters you were also interested in, and you chose someone they were interested in. Like, you know, people take decisions as per their elders, like, you know, in the family they take the decisions, and then when it doesn't work it creates problems for you and the mess. And it does happen, to be honest, okay? Sometimes when these things happen and you're not in tune, something is not in tune, and then you are going to discuss that with that person. Now what is that they're trying to tell you? What's with this old woman? Okay, Four of Cups. I feel they chose something for you. Whoever this person is, they chose something for you from the suitors, and now it's not suiting you. This pleasure seekers, amongst them, possible this was the right fit, and this was King of Wands energy, possible Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, possible. Yes, someone chose your partner. Maybe you were not even involved in that totally. I'm not saying that with blind folds you just chose it. No, you trusted someone's opinion and decisions. Okay, so this may be someone from your family, like possible grandmother, grandfather, or someone, you know, mother, father kind of energy, who is not of your age group, obviously. I feel like some of you never had that option of what I want. It's kind of like they chose. I'm telling you that. I feel when I said disclosing, you're disclosing about what you chose for me, what I, you know, accepted, and what I'm not in tune for or wants. You are disclosing this to this person. And you are also telling them about the person's personalities, like, where, you know, it's about their variations. It's about one person's characteristics, features. Actually, you're telling this person at home, possible. This is discussion about your relationship, something, what this person is all about. Sometimes, you know, at one point they're like, oh wow, sometimes they are annoying, sometimes they're getting irritated, abusive, sometimes they're violent, okay? So their personality traits, we can put that way. So maybe you are discussing one particular relationship. There may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, possible. Not necessarily though, or see. So you people are in hung situation. Some of you are in hung situation for no reason. Some of you are in hung situation for reason. Figuring out something, right step, awakening, getting proofs, heading towards. Some of you are hung because you might be the Empress. You might be about to give birth. You might be, you know, married, or you might be about to give birth, which means you're pregnant for some, okay? So maybe for some specific here female vibes we are talking. You may be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy here, possible. For some, this is all about, you're about to complete certain 10 months or so, okay? Maybe this is also Leo energy. Or some of you are controlling something, holding in something so that things go well with this person emotionally. Yes, Seven of Pentacles with King of Cups. You are keeping patience regarding your relationship or your current phase. Emotionally, you are keeping patience that everything is going to be going well. Some of you are in 7th month of your pregnancy here. Maybe you have this thought of like, in the coming time everything is going to be okay with my love and all that stuff, with my warmth and everything here. I'm hearing the words slow energies, they don't change, okay? So the slow energy or certain kind of pattern, they don't change usually. they have a certain pattern in the base. The Hermit, they may be Virgo. You're figuring out someone, you're figuring out the relationship, connection, your time, you're taking time to observe, analyze, okay? Or solution to the problem. Look, the problem is of this. You might try to exclude yourself from this for time being, to figure out your path. Five of Wands, something is not going, is not well, is not in tune. Again, Five of Wands is something that this disagreement is there, or some chargeable things are here, okay? Chargeable may go in the relationship. If someone fights with you, abuse you, or there's violence or something like that, you know, energy. Why you're keeping mom? If you're keeping mom, don't bear that, okay? It's just wrong. Again, with this, you are just trying to exclude yourself from those arguments. You try to keep mom, which is again wrong, because it's going to continue if you're going to keep mom. So many of your relationship or situation might be like not in tune, and it's like the cassette is not playing itself. Someone doesn't agree with you, they don't understand you, and they don't even, it doesn't matter to them, okay? I hope this is going to help you guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.